Morning guys, it's Lisa here. How are you all doing? Hope you're having a lovely weekend. I'm going to bring you along while I give the kitchen a bit of a clean up and the fridge before we go food shopping. I'm just going to put the kettle on now and make myself a nice cup of tea. Actually, I've had my morning coffee. It's about 8 o'clock now. I've been up since 7. If you hear a bit of panting in the back, it's Poppy. This heat is really getting to her, well, and me as well. I was yesterday night, I was up at 2 o'clock in the morning because I was so hot. How are you all dealing with this heat? But it's been trying to rain this morning, so we'll see how this morning goes. So yeah, if you just come with me while I give the kitchen a clean and put the washing up away, clean the fridge out, and then we'll go off and do a bit of food shopping together. Yeah, I'll give you a quick show around what we've got to do in the kitchen. Just got to basically wipe the sides down, put the washing up away, this off the dryer, and then I need to take the washing up upstairs, and put that all away. So yeah, that's what we'll get up to.
Do you put the water in or the milk first when you make a cup of tea?
Right, let's get the rest of this laundry off here. There's only a couple pieces what didn't dry as quick as the others. I'll just pop this on top of the mountain of washing to put away. Oh yeah, just gonna get this off the side and put it in the upper room. Please, baby, come on. I always seem to let my washing pile up, like not dirty washing but clean washing, and not put it away straight away. That's a bit of a problem of mine. Oh yeah, I bought this yesterday from Tesco's. I thought I could put my little plants in, the ones that I've been growing, guys. A couple of them have actually died off, so we'll probably get some other ones to put in there as well, but I want to put my sunflowers out, so we'll do that together. But yeah, this was on Clubcard down to £12, what I thought was pretty good. If you own a dog, do you find these everywhere around your house? There I am using the sieve again. I'm really enjoying this. The smell is beautiful, guys. I would recommend to try it out. I like to use kitchen roll. I just like, I know it's a waste, but I like to just wipe it away and chuck it in the bin. And I find like cloths don't really bring it up. What sort of cloths do you use, guys? Because I've got like some of those microfiber ones, but I don't really like the feel of them. So yeah, guys, I'm just cleaning around everything, moving stuff and cleaning under it. Don't you just love coming into a fresh, clean kitchen though? It's one of the best feelings when the kitchen's clean. It's always a mess though, isn't it? Because we use it all the time. I know I said it last time, guys, but the smell of this. I thought I'd give the windowsills a bit of a clean because I looked up there and there was like little flies up there. I suppose that's what you get when you live in the country. This side wiped down and then we'll get this side wiped down and then we'll put the washing up away. The dreading washing up. It's like non-stop, isn't it? It's like this is the part of the house that constantly needs cleaning, isn't it? Because we're constantly using our kitchen, so to me it never looks tidy. What's irritating? So what are you guys up to this weekend? Anything nice? We're going to a charity event garden opening this weekend, so and it's actually one of the gardens that me and my husband work in, so that'll be cool. So yeah, guys, you would have already seen the vlog about the gardening charity event, and it was such a beautiful day. The band was brilliant. The cakes were fantastic. It was a really nice day. I just want to mention my pyjamas, Rugrats. Who remembers Rugrats? I used to love that when I was younger. Like that, it's all dried. So just pack it away together and then give this sink a good old scrub. I'm not going to lie, guys, my cupboard could do with a good sort out as well. I think we'll do that in another video, where maybe a good deep clean of the kitchen, because it could do with it. So yeah, let's put these plates and that away. You find you have all these extra plates and that, but very rare you have other people come round to eat. Or we don't. It's crazy, really. Yeah, guys, please let me know if you're interested in a deep clean in the kitchen where we pull everything out. What's the hardest place in your house that you find hard to keep clean. I wouldn't say I find it hard to keep the kitchen clean, but find it hard to keep the kitchen clean, but it always seems to be messy because you're always in it. Yeah, all these cupboards probably could do with a declutter and a good clean. So we'll do, well, let me know if you'd be interested in that, guys. Doing a deep clean in the kitchen and a bit of a declutter. See, the cupboard won't even shut properly because I've got so much stuff in there. Right guys, just give this sink a clean. So I'm going to spray it with this elbow grease. I have used the Fairy as well, and I really like this one, and I like this one as well. I'm just going to let that sit for a second. Sip on my cup of tea. I'm going to use this sponge because I'm going to renew it. So
I'll use this one. Get a new one. New sponge and a new scrubby.
right guys, I'm just going to give the floor a hoover. And then it'll be on to the fridge. all done, guys. Hoovered anyway. I'm going to give it a mop tonight. I'll pop a clip in of me doing that. But yeah, next thing will be the fridge. So it is a bit grim, guys. It needs something's leaked at the bottom. So nice. So yeah, there's a bit of grimness here. So it needs a clean and a good sort out in there before we go off food shopping. So that's what we'll be doing next. Right, I'm back, guys, to clean the fridge out. I had to go upstairs and have a shower and get out of those pyjamas. I was boiling. But let's get everything out and give it a clean. Like I said, guys, it must have been one of the hottest days today. Like, there was no air to breathe. It was horrible. But yeah, just cleared out the fridge, give it a good clean. Good scrub out. It smelled beautiful afterwards. Something's leaked in there. That's it, spraying it with the elbow grease. How often do you guys clean your fridge? I'm not going to lie, I only clean it when I see things like that, like the gooiness at the bottom. Probably should do it a lot more, really. So how have you guys been coping with this heat? It's like a different heat over here, isn't it? People don't realise we don't have aircon in our house. It's not fair. I was just wondering if any of you have any ideas for videos, if there's anything you'd like to see me do or clean. Like I said before, I will be taking a trip to HomeSense soon to go and look at all the Halloween stuff. And then I might do a Primark haul as well, if you would be interested in that. But I do quite just like bringing you along with the days, like what I do in a day and that, really. I hope you're enjoying the videos, because I am really enjoying making these videos. It's been really fun. There I am, just putting it all back in now. That's the best part. But yeah, we're gonna go and do some food shopping, because you'll notice in a minute a lot of the stuff actually had to be chucked out. That's all the fridge cleaned out then, guys. Smelling nice and fresh now. Ready for me to go shopping. Yeah, we're going to go shopping together now. Restock that fridge. This corner, I really need to get a cabinet so all of this can go inside of it, so it doesn't look so messy. If anyone knows of something that could go there to fit an ironing board, the floor mop and everything, put it down in the comments, please. Guys, we're on our way to do some food shopping. We're probably going to pop into Aldi's first and then into Tesco's, because there's a couple bits that we like to get in Tesco's. We're not that keen on in Aldi, like coffee. So I'll see you when we're there. So yeah, look at all these beautiful flowers, guys. So I picked myself some roses up, and I accidentally left them in the car overnight, and where it's been so hot, they didn't look that pretty in the morning. They're still okay, but not as good as it looked like. So yeah, we picked some strawberries up, and now we're going to do some chocolate strawberries. And that chicken was really nice. Just having a look through the middle aisle. You know, everyone likes to look through that, don't they? See what's about. Nothing really took my interest, mind. Where do you guys like to shop? We go through Aldi's or Tesco's. Here's Tesco's now. We popped in there. We popped in there for coffee, really. And then when we got down to the coffee section, they hardly had any coffee there. Isn't it getting so expensive as well, coffee? It's crazy. Coffee that we want. Oh, guys, just got back from food shopping. It is so hot out there. It's ridiculous. I know I'm moaning a lot about the heat, but you will learn to know that I cannot stand the heat. I hate it. I hate being hot. Anyway, I'm going to unload the shopping and I'll show you what we got. This is what we got from Aldi. So I've just picked up some jack potatoes, what we can do this week. Dog treats for the baby. Some strawberries. I'm going to do some chocolate strawberries. I'm going to pick this up. It looked pretty good, so I thought we'd give that a go. Some ham for the sandwiches for the week. We've got some smash burgers. And then we picked up these protein pizzas. We have had these before and we really enjoy them. So we've got the cheese pizza and the meat feast one. Got some bacon to go with the burgers and some sweet potato fries. We love sweet potato fries. Lettuce for the guineas and some crisps. And from Tesco's we picked up some Sprite, Aiden a Red Bull, some coffee and chocolate for the strawberries. So the Aldi shopping altogether come to £67.58. And what I got from Tesco's come to £20. Crazy the difference, isn't it? So guys, I'm going to pack this all away and that'll probably be the end of the vlog now. Yeah. Well, I'm going to cook. We're going to have the pizzas tonight, so I might put that in. But otherwise, I'll see you next time.